drained. So I'm drained now. That's why I woke up and I opened my phone. And then now, water! Gusto ko ng water. Yeah, I need water with the ice. Yeah. Nasira yung mga Alam niyo ba guys, trending ako ngayon sa TikTok. Joke lang. Ayan guys. If you're drinking alcohol, you become dehydration. Thank you, Krim. And then my phone. And then my another phone is, I don't know why. My phone no charging. So I gonna live here. I can open my one phone. My charger not working. I don't know why. But my phone is not, I can charge. So now you know, guys. The Philippine alcohol is very dehydration. So, if you're drinking gin, you need a 1 gallon water when you wake up. So now I'm dehydration. And I need wasted area. Anong wasted area? So I have water with the ice, baby. Oh, look at this. Okay. Take cold shower. Yeah, later. Bago lahat, okay. I gonna take some, I take some, bingo. I take some dance with you guys. Okay? Okay, I gonna dance behind the curtain. So, you're gonna watch this. Watch and watch. Okay? Sasayaw tayo. I'm gonna dance again. Let's go! Let's dance inside the curtain. Nakita ba? Can you see that? Can you see? Oh. Okay, come on. I'm gonna I take one dance to you guys. Ay, may sayaw ako. Ate Cherry, panoodin mo, bilis. May sayaw ako, bilis. Okay, guys, for today's video, I gonna get ready with me. I have one dance to you guys. So, I hope you like it. Okay, let's go. To all my fans can watch my dance. Oh my gosh. You can watch these guys. Let's go.